Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar. We have TXT, that is how it's spelled, and it's a South Korean group. I believe it stands for Tomorrow Times Together. That's the group name, and Beautiful Strangers is the title of the song. This will be a quick one. We have 4 chords. It goes in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenarios, and that's why we love these songs, because we're gonna have it easy, and that's also why we use Kpop on second. 4 easy chords. Let's go into it. So we're gonna look into C, A minor, E minor, and B minor. That's what's going on. Starting with C, we have third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. A minor next. That will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have E minor, that's the third chord, and it goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E, and finally we have the B minor, which is a bar chord. So you place your index finger on the second fret, you push down 5 strings, you count from bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. And that's the chord progression. So we need to look into the strumming pattern, and we have 2 parts here. So C will be played with part 1, then A minor part 2, and then you apply the same principle for E minor part 1 and B minor part 2. So let's look into the first transition from C to A minor. C is played like this. So 2 downs, clap, and down up. So down, down, clap, down, up. And then you switch chord, in this case to A minor, and play up, down, clap, down, up. So together will be down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. And then you play the same for E minor to B minor. So E minor is played down, down, clap, down, up, and B minor up, down, clap, down, up. That is 1 round. You just play that round and round and round through the entire song. Let's do a round together. It sounds like this. And that's it, guys. Doesn't have to be harder than that. Tomorrow, together, beautiful strangers. That's it. Thank you for watching, and play tuned.